Καλά, ρε.
Μόνοι μας είμαστε ακόμα. Τώρα μπήκε η Φρέντρικ. Το γιατί δεν χτυπάει το τηλέφωνο ακόμα δεν βγάλαμε άκρη.
Καλύτερα είναι προς αρχίδικο.
Την Παρασκευή CPI θα κάνεις live.
Ξέρω, το σκέφτομαι.
Γιατί άμα κάνεις live να το διαφημίσου λίγο. Με ένα παλιό βίντεο που έχεις.
Ναι.
Που σου βγήκε θετικό, πολύ θετικό τέλος.
Hey, Frederick, the three of us.
Hello, Frederick.
Oops. Hello.
Hello, my friend.
How are you today?
Easy peasy, nothing.
Easy.
Nothing much.
I think everybody is waiting for the ECB tomorrow.
Yeah, and Friday, man. Who cares about ECB?
Ah, Friday. Yes.
Europe is way beyond dead, man. To be honest.
Really low volume and no other guys here in the stream.
I mean, some people are working and understand that. Not many people. That is why I said that this kind of thing is more targeted for people that are actually trading than they are not doing very well. Than people that, like you, that are still in the sim and, you know. At least what I'm doing, I think it's honest, so.
Oh, Stefan is there.
So, what's going on, man?
We are chilling.
It's a family meeting today. Many people are joining.
All afraid.
All are what?
All are afraid of trading. I don't know.
Afraid
I was saying
of
to
the.
Frederick that this kind of service, is, I mean, basically is targeted for people that are trading live money, and they have, since they're trading live money, then 100% they're going to be here. And so the other people that are trading the sim, you know, they're trading at their own times that are convenient, which I don't agree with that. If you want to follow trading, you have to be, at least you have to have a fixed set of time that you're going to trade. Otherwise, if you are a hobby trader, you know, I mean, trading requires sacrifice, man. Said it a million times. I don't think, I mean, there are so many people that aspire to greatness, I used to say, but very few people succeed into this. So, and many people I have discovered since last few months that we're doing this are very disheartened when they lose money in the sim, yeah. And
that's the game. And I think the shorter the time frame is and that you're operating, so you have to, the time on screen is much more. So if you're only trading after hours or only on the hourly or something like that, they have perhaps not the time.
I totally understand this, man, but I came in and said that, I mean, whatever I say comes out of a million tries out of me, yeah? So I have tried the overnight session. Overall, I don't think it's working. As I said yesterday before I left, one of my main girlfriend, let's say, one of my girlfriends, my girlfriend.
You're a yoga girl, huh?
No, it's the one I'm dating the last few years. She had it's happening, and I had to attend.
But she's not that crazy like the Sweden girl, or?
No, man, she's not crazy, actually. She's, and that's the thing, she's the only one that is not crazy over the years. And she's the only one that she does not bust my balls, and she understands what I'm going through, and she understands my job and this kind of stuff. And,
that's good. So let's see what the gargoyle of the ECB is telling us tomorrow.
The orange lady, I mean, come on, I don't think in those times you can, I'm not a misogynist, but you don't want to trust the woman on the head of ECB wheel these times. I don't think she's going to be a president by next year, yeah.
I hope so.
Next year there will no ECB, or let's say no European Union will be exist.
You took it out of my mouth. If there is ECB or Europe until next year. All right, so the oil is back at 121. Went back a little bit below. Bonds are still going down, are heading down. Not the US 10-year, but the as Frederick said yesterday, look at the Italian and the Greek yields. They are now people are paying attention. Looks like. Yeah, so you should not look at the individual yield of the individual country. You should always look the spread between the German bond. That's what the markets are actually are concerned with. Not the, obviously, it's about the individual yield that makes the difference in the spread between the German bond. But always look at the spread and don't look at the individual yield, because then you have to find the German yield and 10-year bond, and then you have to subtract the yield and stuff like this. Yeah.
Okay.
So there are trackers that you type German, Portugal bond spread and whatever, but just keep on looking in the bond, and so you have. Let me just transfer you in another screen. Screen is that? Not that. Is this one? Yeah. So as you can see, I have the daily, the daily 10-year note and the daily bond. Yeah. I mean, and you can see the spread that it's widening. So 10 years is remaining steady, and the bond is that's the most important spread in my opinion, really. If this starts blowing out, then we're gonna have issues. Now, again, until we reach this level here in the hourly, what's the level actually?
But will you trade it? I mean, this is a range, huh? We are in no man's land again.
Yeah, man.
Does it make sense to
71.50?
Sorry, does it make sense to trade the Fibos in the range?
No, man. We have been. I just put them for.
Yeah, I also have it on my screen, but
yeah, I just for visualization based or to exit a trade or something like that. And to be honest, yesterday once I saw failing the 38% immediately, I should have thought that all the other Fibos are gonna be fucking bullshit. And eventually the 78% got stopped as well. It wasn't really a day. I mean, in our defense, I mean, you could have bought the break, the one that I didn't buy, and you could have bought the retracement, but I wasn't really in the mood to.
yeah, but yesterday this was crazy banana, really.
Man, I've seen it a million times. Just going, not retracing, and.
Yeah, but yesterday, I mean, every break was for nothing. Only the one is.
Only the one, yeah. Only. That's why you have to be. That's why I say patience. I mean, if I had got the long, would we be complaining? No. And again, I said it was a mistake from me since you hold the first people to just be.
Yeah, have to see it on the bullish side, yes.
Yeah, I mean, I should have seen it in the bullish side. I was just when the market was around here, I was expecting maybe it breaks and goes back down again, or maybe it holds the first Fibo. There was not much volume, and when it started doing the break, let me go in the 5 minutes. It just and this is always in my experience. Let me just go where the break was. So the break was here, yeah. But my problem was that although it looks in the 5 minutes like this, it's just Oh, fuck me, I'm showing
The Dow.
Aris, you're doing, man. All right, so here was the break. And to be honest, it came in the 1 minute. I'm not going to go in the 1 minute because it's too far away. It went so fast. And when it goes so fast from here up to here, usually in my experience, it breaks, comes back, you know, and it doesn't really break and go all the way through, yeah. But I should have guessed it's so low volume, it's going to do some kind of bullshit. And effectively, that was, I mean, I was for 1 second, should I buy it? And say, yeah, fuck it, yeah. I did try to buy it, not at this level in the 5 minute. I did try to buy here. I should have really been buying here. I was waiting for here. You remember I said it at 99. I was trying to buy 99. But the market again went to this previous low, 91. And then it was adios muchachos again. So, yeah, you remember what happened after this. So. But isn't it right what I'm trying to tell you? If you do not catch the long, do not go short. And you saw it live, me failing my rules, and effectively, I was kind of right, yeah. So I risked on the short, and I didn't make any money in the long. Yeah, at least that works for me. So I'm saying if I hadn't traded yesterday, I would have been okay with 4-point stop, yeah, with 4-point loss, which is okay. 4 point is like for me, it's 4 points for me. It's like I'm zero in PNL. I don't really care, yeah. But 10 points is just. And 10 points and going against my rules, this is, I'm angry with myself. I'm not angry with the market. The market can be bullshit for another, the market, and I did mention yesterday, the market was trading bullshit for 5 years. Should I be complaining every day? All right, I'm closing the mic. No, I'm not closing the mic. It's 2 minutes, I forgot to buy cigarettes, man. By the way, the DAX is going to PIMCO a little bit. PIMCO is me and Alex. So it's the definition of Alex. You know, Pipimco is a little pushy, he tells me. I said, Pipimco. I went Pipimco yesterday. He said, I said, what's Pipimco, Alex? It's a little pussy. Pipimco. Remain Pipimco. Alex is the first German I met with a sense of humor. You know, he's a guy that never talks, man, never participates in any conversation. He just nods, yes or no, yeah. And from time to time, with the people that he feels very convenient with, I'm guessing I'm one of those. He tells a joke that is so fucking disgusting, and everyone goes crazy. And he usually sends me jokes like 4 times a year. That's his ratio. Around 4 times a year, he sends me a joke over Skype or in my mobile. What's up? All right, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Well, what's this break in Nasdaq? We have higher rates, but again, don't be fooled. Let's just watch the volume. What happens now in the first 1 minute? And let's see if it's gonna be fucking dead or.
There is nothing, huh? We are in the middle of the range from yesterday.
Yeah, but if it breaks here or if it breaks here in the S&P and does 10 points, do we care? If you go.
I mean, look at the candle of yesterday, and we even couldn't hold and break the previous high of day.
Daily candle.
Yeah, and we are still in this fucking range.
Haven't I told you in no man's land? So we are inside. So we are inside the no man's of the no man's land. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, there's nothing. There's.
So first of all, you have to break this range, and then it has to go off the bigger no man's land. So that is why you are seeing this kind of up and down, and who the fuck cares, yeah. The Dow is first Fibo, yeah, 30.50. Did it go there? No. Again, the first candle is 10,000, not even above 10,000, yeah. So you know what that means. Let me just try to concentrate a little bit here. Just keep on reminding me to watch the 5 minutes. Sometimes I get, when I lose money, I stop looking at the 5 minutes. Get too obsessed with the 1 minute and the hourly. And if I had seen this in the 5 minutes yesterday, instead of 99s, I bought the 01s, I would have been effectively. So here's the first Fibo, yeah. Let's see if it holds the first Fibo to give us an indication that today maybe wants to hold levels. Okay. Hold that first. See what's gonna do. The DAX keeps on drifting down.
I like the stocks. I hate it. I was short the stocks today.
Not the stocks, the DAX, yeah.
Yeah, but stocks also.
Stocks also, yeah. I do have the stocks. Don't even look at the stocks, man. I don't even know why I have the chart. So the first Fibo looks like it's gonna get, no? Nasdaq. Fucking piece of shit. Where's the level in Nasdaq? 624. Didn't break. You fucking ridiculous cunt. Bring the Nasdaq. Yeah. 1 minute, yeah. All right, let's see now if it retraces. Normally it should retrace to 34 and go back down. Did it go there? No, 33. $33.75, or I mean, it should be okay. Boy, do I. So it holds. I said it is 75. But is it bullshit? Probably it is, yeah. There it is closing above again. I did try to sort a little bit 33.75. I got out very quickly. I mean, with a loss, but it's okay. So, it holds the first Fibo in our eyes. I mean, what was the Fibo? 30.50. I mean, we should see 40.50, no? $40.50. Let's see, it's gonna do 10 points increment, isn't it? Let's see if it stops there. Nasdaq. This is a failed break in Nasdaq and we go down now. Cigarette. Fuck me. I should have bought. Fuck it, I'm not buying the first people. I'm not buying, I'm not doing anything today. Not really I am, but what's the hourly? Let's see where the hourly S&P closes. Okay, it's in 20 minutes, but look at the 5 minutes. Close above again. It traced to. Okay. So the tracement is already done. It should go to 40.50 and give the 10 points. I don't know if it's gonna break to the upside. What's the Nasdaq as well? If it goes down and you wanna go short, yeah, then you sell the 33.75. Yeah, if it breaks down and we close above below in the 5 minute, yeah, then you sell the 33.75. Be careful if it doesn't create new highs from this high. It does, maybe does 40.50 and goes all the way back down. Yeah. Oil is going a little bit down. Again, be careful for a small false break. If we do a small false break, then it should go and attack the lows, and then NQ should break this this low here, 24.25. Yeah. Okay. 42 is he's breaking the 42. No follow through yet. Oh, Nasdaq. Nasdaq made a new high to here, yeah. Right there. The 5 minute closed at 5 minute closed at this range, yeah. So it's not bullish yet. Careful now the other side. You know, all the shorts are pretty much stopped by now. It should keep on failing to be closing the 5 minute below 43. So got 43 now. If you want to go short and speculate, 43 is the level. Yeah. Now it stopped at 39.75. Let's see if there's. Right, 43. Should stop at 43. 42.75. See, yeah? Man, 42.75, for fuck's sake. $43, yeah? Soon go above 43. Goes above 43, then it's fucked up trading again. Now it should hold 39.75. Should hold, yeah. Let's see if the Nasdaq is going to give us. Should stop now 39.75 and then go down. If it wants to go down, 39.75 goes. Nope, bullshit. Yeah. Very low volumes again. And at the end of the day, it holded the first Fibo, so normally the move should be the upside, but let's see if it's going to do the same thing again. Now, if it wants to be bullish, break the 45 and say goodbye to us, yeah. for break to the upside, isn't it? But not the best breakup. I mean, above 45, what's the same thing that happened yesterday? Yeah, people are not buying it yet. It holds 45. By the 1 minute. Nasdaq is approaching this level. It's going to accelerate once it breaks this level. Okay. What's this hourly high as well in Nasdaq? 40.25, yeah, that should be the target in Nasdaq and should bring the S&P higher as well. So the break 45 retrace to 45 and up. So 10 points from 45. Broke the Nasdaq as well. And that's it. And that's it. So again, holds first people. No volume, we go up. The 3-point stop, we went only 2 points, yeah? Okay. True about the first people. Instead of the fucking 45s. So it was pretty textbook what it did, yeah? So we break 45s, goes back to 45 and up. So on here, speculate and you buy 45, yeah? Because the 5 minute hadn't already, the 5 minute, I mean, it closed now, yeah? So did the first FIBA work again? It worked today and it didn't work yesterday to the upside, yeah? Hi, do you have any questions regarding this? It didn't want to go down. I mean, we tried the levels that, I mean, the 43, I did go short 43 as well. Didn't work out. I mean, I could have taken 5 points, really. Is it 5 points? Not even 5 points. 5 points. Could have taken 5 points. Again, you see 43, 5 points. Should have taken 5 points. But too many shoots. Again, the best trade was this, the break of 45. I mean, now you can go ahead and put Fibos from here to here. In the 5 minute, the VIX is quite low, so we can do this. Let's see where the first Fibo is coming, and let's go and buy the first Fibo. Unless he wants to do bullshit and go all the way down again, but it's technically correct since we're closing 5 minutes above those levels, yeah? So the first Fibo is 46.50, okay. But my problem is that the hour closes now in 7 minutes. So if it goes back down, the Nasdaq is going to close below this level. And on hourly, we're going to have an hourly close below this level. And then what? We go and buy the first Fibo for more upside. It's a little bit negative for equities, but at least I think it should worth a try. Yeah. $46.50. The volumes are so fucking bullish. You see the volume only increased on the break. No retracement again. Only one tick new high. Now it goes. Node is going a little bit down. Oil. Nasdaq keeps on going through. Still holding the 58.25. 47.75 now the first go. $58.25 again. Hold it. See if we're going to see any retracement the downside. That high, 53.50. Okay. Bonds are ticking down. One minute for the hourly close. If it closes and then it goes to 58.25, so at the new hour it goes 58.25, then it should head down. But the volume is so low, man. But with low volume, we're not, no? Why would it should go down with low volume as well? Now be careful. The Nasdaq is going to close above this hourly high. Then S&P hasn't really. Break the 53. Should break the 53. I don't know if he holds it when exactly there. No, 54. Holds it what? $53.50. Let's see if this one holds. Now you have 5 points from 58.25 if you went short there. Nothing shouldn't stop the here, man. Look at the first SIBO, 47.45. Should go down there. Aye, aye, aye. Okay. I was short and now I'm long a little bit. Nasdaq has to be to close above this. He has to be standing above, and it's better for us. Fuck you. Give us some PIMCO more. Fuck you, Nasdaq. Bond still stay down. Fucking Nasdaq, don't close there. Where is your PIMCO? Bonds are a little bit up now. Oil down. Let's go another 10 points. Fucking bitch. Show them how you are S&P. Show them. Break it to the upside. Be a fucking pussy. Come on. PIMCO. You know who you are. You know who you are. You're a fucking beast. Okay, let me take out half. Fucking bitch. Don't go back. Stop the other ones at 47, 75. Go. Okay, it should give us 10 points. Don't have cigarettes. Funny, yeah? It stopped. If you watch the 5 minute and you watch the hourly, it's these candles, this small offside. I mean, it's totally against my rules to go for 10 points with this VIX and this volatility, but I'm well up, so fuck it. That's how I push it. I told you. Come on. So long. Understand that by watching this, understand that there is a huge probability that we're gonna go times and we're gonna be having longs of times that it's gonna stand like this and γάμο το μουνί της μανούλας σου γάμο. Now, if he holds the 5250 to the upside, so it's the same lows as these lows, it's quite bullish. Shouldn't be making new lows in the 1 minute, so it's gonna start. It's gonna start the pattern of destroying the higher lows, yeah. So you wanna effectively stay above 51 at least. Below 51, I'm not saying I'm gonna get out. Just saying it looks bad. Man, honestly, I got married and got divorced faster than this trade. Go. Fuck it, I'm out. I'm gonna go buy cigarettes. I'll be back. Wait. Are we going short or what? No? Okay. I'm gonna be buying cigarettes. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Sorry. There's nothing going on. Anyway. Well, I came back to check if I have any orders in.
Have you? Have you orders?
No, I came back to see if I have any orders inside, because sometimes I leave with orders in the book. Okay, still bullshit. Oh. 78%, isn't it? So we broke once I don't know, I didn't see the price action, but I'm guessing once we went back to 45, so all the way back to 45, people stopped. Good thing I got out. Did it break immediately when we broke this 45.75 stage? Or did it break and go up to 48 and then it went down? Stage?
Δεν άκουσα. Ποιο? Γιατί κάνουν...
Μαλάκα, έσπασε με τη μία όταν έσπασε αυτό το level ή έσπασε εδώ σε αυτό εδώ το candle και πήγε πάνω και μετά κάτω?
Πού δείχνεις?
Εδώ.
Δεν το βλέπω.
Έσπασε κατευθείαν από αυτό εδώ το level ή πήγε πρώτα πάνω και μετά έσπασε λίγο, πήγε πάνω και μετά έσπασε?
Δεν το πρόσεξα, φίλε, γιατί κάνω τα βίντεο σου.
Οκ.
Στέλνω στην Ειρήνη.
So it did stop at 35, yeah? Sorry, keep on confusing screens.
Πάει...
34.50 and it went up to 40, 35, 40, no, 4 points. So we go Pipimco to the other side, okay?
Hopefully.
This was retest.
Δεν κατάλαβα, Στέλιο.
Or this was a retest in the 1 minute.
Look at the
35.
Nasdaq. Nasdaq couldn't hold above yesterday's high. It's a kind of fill break.
Yeah, but it went too much, no? Anyway, 35. No, from 35 to 40, that's another 5 points. So the 78% gave you 5 points, no? Yes?
Yeah, yes.
From 35 to 40, good.
Exactly 5 points.
So we're only trading Fibos today, it looks like.
Exactly. Good.
Yeah, I sold a little bit 83.25. What is it? Not what did I sold with?
Paris, yeah, I have a question. From yesterday high to the low from today.
Yesterday high.
Yes. For the 5-25 was 78% for short.
Let's discuss this later.
Yeah.
So it gave us the entry, another entry here, yeah? Not long. By the way, if you want to go short 45, and I'm guessing from 35 is going to go to 45, it's a range day. It's pretty clear right now. You can make money in the range. When you saw it happening, no? No? Are we selling 45s? Are we? What's this low here? 46.50. Are we selling there? Or are we not? Yes, we are a little bit. Yeah. Fucking bullshit. I'll be back again. I mean, it's range trading. So we stopped 78%. There's nothing really to discuss anymore, is it? Range day. It was somehow at least technically correct, as we can see today, at least holds 38%. I didn't play that. And I holds 78% of this small range, expecting that it's going to be range. Yeah. I didn't trade the 78% either, although I should, instead of the 38% that I did. Wow, the bond doesn't show any remorse. Just keeps on staying quite low. Makes sense though with tomorrow ECB. Do you want to ask me anything? What do you want to ask me, Stelio?
Μισό λεπτό.
It seems to me the Nasdaq is the leading market, right? I mean, everything depends on the Nasdaq. If Nasdaq goes up, everything else goes up. Okay.
No.
Except the Dow Jones, but
In Dow Jones is going to influence a little bit, but the main trading is happening with Nasdaq. I mean,
yeah, but that's really fucked up, because if you want to play a lever, but the Nasdaq is exaggerating or is pushing, you can't play the level because the S&P will spike through.
That's a good observation.
That's the reason. Sorry, that's the reason why I trade the stocks and not the DAX, because the stocks is the leading market.
Man, don't tell me about Eurex markets. I do not.
Yeah, I know. For comparison.
I have made today around 40 points on a range that is not even 40 points. Yes, not 40 with my normal size, because I bought a little bit more on the first people here. Yeah, not here. What I was gonna say. Just trade what's in front of you, man. If you think that the Nasdaq is gonna break along with the S&P, just do the break. And so when I think Nasdaq broke, when we started breaking this level, Nasdaq initiated the move. Just keep on watching Nasdaq. Just keep on watching Nasdaq. If it stays above this level, there is no reason for you to get out of the S&P. Yeah. That's how.
Yeah, not that level. For me, it's interesting the daily, for example. Yeah, so Nasdaq couldn't hold above, so we did a fail break in the Nasdaq. I sold.
But it happened in the hourly and it went too much now. Yes, on hindsight you can say yes, it's a failed break. Yeah, but what if it goes and closes above? It's fucking man. It's not break. It's nothing. It's fucking range day. Yeah.
Yeah. But therefore, that's the reason why I shorted the S&P at 52s around, and I needed 3 attempts for this fucking trade because of the Nasdaq. And because of a range day, I mean, look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is still in the middle of nowhere. The S&P couldn't take out its high of day from yesterday. Yesterday, and the Nasdaq, no power to the upside, huh?
But let me come back to because that was my initial thought. Sometimes I start talking and I lose the question. Why do you want to trade, man? Honestly, Euro stocks. When you have this fucking beast that can give you, okay, that's a good day for me, yeah. But it can give you saw it live. It can give you 40 points in a range of. Let me see the range of this candle, which
it can, yeah.
I have made more points than the range today, and I didn't get the 30, and I didn't get the 35s. Imagine if I had gotten the 35s. another 10 points. Don't mention me. Eurostock's fucking dead, man.
It's not to mention. It's only for comparison.
There is no comparison. The Eurostoxx is like you're comparing The Walking Dead.
No, I don't mean. What I mean is what I don't like. I don't like, or I like to trade markets who are leading, and for me it seems the Nasdaq is the leading market,
Yeah,
and
more or
S&P is fucking depending on what Nasdaq is doing.
This is what's happening. I'm telling you, on low volume days, on high volume days, when there is stuff happening, if there is a level, traders will hold it with volume regardless of what fucking Nasdaq does. So with volume, the Nasdaq will follow the S&P one way or another. Yeah. When there is no low volume, yeah, look what Nasdaq is doing, and just correlate it to your S&P trade. But when there is volume and there is a level in the S&P will usually hold. But there is volume trading. This is
Yeah, there is no volume. Huh?
So I'm saying don't make it a concrete. Στο μη λες senior trader Paris, with our senior trader Paris, δεν μας ενδιαφέρει. Δεν θέλω να ακούγεται το όνομά μου, senior trader Paris, παντού. Καταλάβεις, ψωνίστικο, ακούγεται ψωνίστικο, δεν μ' αρέσει.
Okay.
With our senior trader.
Okay.
Period.
To give us...
Gave us. Μας έδωσε. Είναι...
Okay.
Αυτά κάντε στο highlights, τελειώ. Περισσότερο που έδωσα trades εκεί που γυρνάω και λέω ότι μάλλον θα πάμε πάνω τώρα, αφού προσπάθησα λίγα short στην αρχή. Δηλαδή το πρώτο πρέπει να δείξει είναι το 43 που έλεγα.
Ναι, τα έχω αυτά.
Το 43 που έλεγα ότι πρέπει να πάει κάτω, δεν τέτοιο, και όταν πήγε εδώ δεν γύρισε και είπα now it has to break.
Ναι. Όχι, τα έχω αυτά. Απλά τώρα για το Twitter δίνω και την ειρήνη δίνω. Okay.
Tomorrow is going to be the one main event, but the main event is on Friday.
Yeah.
Everyone is waiting for Friday, man. Inflation is everywhere now, yeah.
Look at this motherfucker.
I mean, if technically it holded the first FIBO, yeah, it holded now the 78% FIBO. I mean, everything points to the upside. So I think now if it goes up, and so 58.25, let me put it. It's gonna try to break, yeah. It should try to break to the upside, yeah. Then you should buy either 58.25 or and 57.75. This is not averaging if this is like one tick away. So if it goes up, breaks this new high, then effectively you buy 58.25. What is this? 55.25 is it's too low for me to go down there. Now you have 68.25. So you have the previous, no, this high is 64 and the previous day is 68.25 on Monday. Yeah. So from 58.25, that's another 10 points. Let's see what it does. The volume is too low though. Let's see if he holds now 52s. You know, I'm just commenting the 1 minute action really. Did it go to 52? It did go, yeah. 51.50, so it retraced already, yeah. Now you want to see it like going to 52 on one of these candles maybe, and then going up, although it did go to 52, went down to 51.50. So it could be that it breaks now as well to the upside. The problem with low volumes is my timing with breaks. I can't really time my breaks. That's the problem with low volume days. The breaks are.
But
So
because
look
of
at the
the
hourly. You have 20 minutes, 25. Is it? Is it the LM?
but because of the low volume, yeah. So if we try to break yesterday's high,
1 second. Let me see what it does at 52. Hold it 52. Breaking now. Sorry, say again.
so let's say if the S&P would try to break yesterday's high of day, but we could see now that we have no volume.
The main break is here, 89 really.
Yeah. But because we are still in the range, yeah. But let's say the S&P would make an attempt, but we could now see low volume. Does it make a kind of an indicator to say, well, better to better to play a fail break instead of a breakout because of the volume we see now?
You need volume for fail break, man. You need volume for people trapped to the upside. So people are trapped to the short. Many people are trying the long, the break. It fails and it goes all the way back down with volume. You need volume for fail breaks and this kind of stuff. That is why I told you. I said yesterday regarding this comment that you made that on low volume days you can see it going up with no fucking retracement. So why do you want to play the fail break here? It's I did play the failed break at 58.25, which is my daily. It's 58.25. It's an hourly high, isn't it? Yeah. That's pretty much education. So in case they did the failed break, you know, this kind of stuff. But you see how slow it was. Sorry, 1 minute. You see how slow it was in terms of failed break. A failed break, it is a failed break in the hourly, but.
So I thought you need volume for a breakout because.
Yeah, you need as well volume for a breakout, but now nobody's trading. So.
Yeah, so you need.
Breaks. It's not a break. I mean, yesterday it was a break, yeah, from the 38%. Now.
So you need volume for both sides. So for a breakout and for a fail break.
People are the market makers is just playing the range, man. All I'm saying today, yeah, why do you want to concentrate so much on breaks when it holds the 38%, it holds the 78% down here? Okay, it broke the other two, but it's normal because it went back below 45 where people bought and people were stopping below 45. So I wouldn't buy either the 50%, obviously, the 60% probably not either. 78%, yeah. In small ranges, I prefer trading the 78% and the 38%.
Yeah, I didn't want to trade the Fibos because we are sitting in a range, so I wasn't sure enough
but it's
to
very
say.
slow volume, and I mean, if you kind of feel it, that so you have been ranging for what, for so many days, so why not today as well? Yeah, that does kind of stupid range trade. Now, if it broke this, it would still be inside the range. So I'm playing the range inside the range. Listen, man, I'm just doing trades that I try that they not even go 3 points. You know, I'm trying not to risk that much. So, for example, the break of 45s, it's the kind of a trade that you did, and you never went offside, did you? So sometimes I tried things, and if I think that it's fucking bullshit, I will scratch them. But basically, mainly I will always have a 3-point stop. So I try stuff. I had money to invest here. I sold the 58.25 as well. I sold the 51.85, and I bought even more contracts at this level, at 47.50, 47.75. This kind of stuff, because I immediately went offside. So I went offside in a blink of an eye, and I was immediately onside. I do this kind of tricky trades, but I have money to invest. You saw me yesterday, I mean, I lost 10 points, I pretty much stopped. I'm not gonna, I should have stopped at 4 points. If I have money to invest, I try stuff. To see if they're gonna happen immediately, yeah? 55.25. Now, let's see if it goes back to 52 now. I'm just looking for indications that we might do a break. If it stops at 50, if it went to 52, 52.25. If here 52 we are now, if he holds 52 now, nope. So in a sense, what I'm doing here, I want to see the market holding exactly this level, and on the way up, I might try a break above this level to overshoot above this. So like the first people that we broke yesterday, and we boop. I want to see this kind of pattern here, but I want the market to give me the entry, not me speculating. Now it's breaking now, it's breaking now, it's breaking now. Okay, 43.50 is this hourly low, 1 minute low. What are we doing here? There's some volume coming in. Only the S&P, Nasdaq is Dow Jones ridiculous. So what? We hold down 43.50 or what? No way, it's gonna go up again. Range, do this range bullshit. You can play the range the whole day, man.
Yeah, Nasdaq, huh?
Is it?
Uh-huh.
It didn't look like you fucking bitch when it was at
What you
7%.
saying?
It was transitory at 7%. Bitch. Fucking lies everywhere, man. This world is surrounded by lies. Just trust the market, man. The market will show you the truth always. Fuck these cunts. So 43.50, I mean, the way you should do it, yeah, on a day like this, when you know it has been happening the whole day, why not wait for it to break? And on the upside, you go and buy the 43.50 and hope for the best, because once it went above 43.50, it never looked down again. You know, this kind of trades gave you 5 points now. This kind of mini trades, but 5 points here, 5 points there. You don't even have to trade tomorrow or Friday. Now it has all the necessary stuff for the break to the upside. It did a false break here. They managed to go to this low. You have a higher low. You have kind of higher low and higher highs. Now, if it breaks this, it goes all the way to PIMCO. Oil is backbeat. Fuck it. All the markets are range trading. Now let's see if it holds. If we're going to stay up, soon go below this level, or maybe here, maybe this high. Just saying, you know, microcosmos. Either the line or maybe this high here, this previous high of the 47. I should go back to this line and then go up. Unless it's gonna range trade more. Yeah, see? And you have a price magnet at 51. I bought it a little bit, very small size. At 46.75, I mean. If it goes back, then I'm scratching it. I'm not even holding it. You know, this kind of trades, I mean, either it works or it doesn't. I don't care. I don't care if it, even if it goes at 46.75 and it goes up again. I'm not willing to take a risk on such low volume markets. It's a high here, 51, and 51 you have a magnet order. Let's go, Pipinko. Okay. 5 points and not down, beats. Will it be Pipinko? 5 points, and I didn't get out again. Fuck it, I'm taking it out. I'll buy the break at 55 again. So the market did go exactly to this high, isn't it? Ah. And it went exactly 5 points in. Ah, pari. So you could, I bought 46.75. The high here was 47. I just wait for it a little bit just in case it does a small bullshit downside. It did a small bullshit. I immediately bought. The low was 46.25. Yeah. So I bought 46.75. 5 points, 51.75. I'll be seeing you. Just market makers playing with magnet orders. Nothing really.
Have you ever tried to trade oil?
Yeah, man. I've said in the past I've traded oil for a few years alongside with other instruments. I wasn't a loser. I wasn't a winner either in oil. But the stress level for oil is just too much for me. And doesn't hold levels, so you can overshoot the level massively, like 30, 40 points, and still be okay. You know, this kind of stuff. Oh fuck, I left the camera on for the whole day today. So you could see my stress face, no? I have a stress face.
I think that's not a stress face. It's a smile.
No, that's not my stress face. You can see my stress face really. I get very
I
serious.
think if we are always stressful when we are offside, then it's a stress. I
When
guess.
I'm offside.
Yeah, me too. I mean, the S&P, I'm still in the sim because I need more convenience for this market.
That's all right, man. Take your
Like
time.
example, I mean, I was 19 points on side now. Yeah, I sold 53.75 and didn't get out at 35, whatever. I don't know. So my first target was lower, and I get out with.
It did the 78%. That's why I mean, keep the Fibos for exits. I mean, if you saw it, especially the second time that it did the 35, then that should be an indication for you. Like, I'm out. Fuck this shit. Or above 40, above this level, you're out. This is how big traders think, yeah. Because until this pattern, you did nothing wrong, because it already was doing lower highs and lower lows in the 1 minute, yeah. So the pattern was effectively going to be destroyed above the 40 level. And what happened above 40?
Yeah, for me it was, first of all, I didn't draw the Fibos now. And second, because of the fucking NASDAQ, because I was thinking, well, the NASDAQ couldn't hold yesterday's high of day, so we made a fail break. And also all the other indices couldn't take out their yesterday's high. And so for me, okay, we are in the range. So the logical is, okay, we are running to the other side, but it didn't happen.
The logic.
Yeah, no logically, there's nothing logical in the market, but
now you said it right.
You know what I mean?
I mean, I come in today, yeah. I'm just trying to always get ready for the bullshitness. I see Nasdaq down, DAX down here, yeah, which is quite a big move today for the Nasdaq. Although in the daily it's still quite high. And I was thinking that everybody's thinking that we should go down. And what does happen when everybody's thinking that we go down? Aha. Yeah, in that sense, I took about the first people. I mean, I did say first people.
Yeah,
It
but
didn't
you,
look, and it happened on the first minute, or let me see, at what minute did we go to the first people? And I remembered yesterday that all the FIBOs got destroyed, so we went on the third minute, on the second minute, sorry, we went to the FIBO of the cash open, actually on the first minute. No? Yeah, first minute and something. And
but
I
you
didn't
don't,
want to risk it too much on the first minute at all. In the first minute, can do fucking downside with 10 points with a cam shot, and then I fucked my day, no?
but you don't make your strategy out of the DAX, what the DAX is doing in the S&P.
No, I'm saying overall that maybe, you know, maybe it's a risk of sentiment in the markets. Maybe today they do it ahead of the ECB, you know, this kind of stuff. So that's why I didn't buy the first people. And yesterday all the people got fucked up, yeah. So I was thinking maybe it does the same bullshit as yesterday. Obviously didn't. Let me see. I think they're gonna post a video of mine in YouTube today.
But there is nothing to do. Don't trade between the levers. Fuck.
I'm not famous yet.
How is your yoga? Still advancing?
Yoga, no yoga.
No yoga?
No yoga this weekend. This weekend, I don't know, I was so tired and did I go out? I think not. I didn't go out this weekend. It was too hot.
Do you think they will doing some Euro bonds? And when they get issued, what about with the other one? Are they?
I mean, Bund is done if they do Eurobonds. Everybody's going to do Eurobonds. It's going to be a great instrument to trade. Like, but
So do you think so? Yeah. So when Eurobonds will coming, that everybody will trading only
I don't
Eurobonds.
think they will ever come Eurobonds, man. I mean, Europe has to get serious to issue Eurobonds. It's something I have stressed so many times that if they want to have Europe, if they want to call themselves Europe, they should issue Eurobonds. But it's not going to happen, man. Germany and Amsterdam and Netherlands and Austria and all these countries are not going to allow it. Are they going to allow that? You know, they're going to keep on saving Greece and Portugal and Spain and Italy? Nah, they're not going to allow it. What's going on? 4075 is breaking.
Nothing to do, huh?
I'll sell it a little bit for a few ticks. Gapa. Okay. Just in case he did anything weird. $6 o'clock for you, for me. 5 o'clock for you. Okay. Nothing going on, yeah?
Nothing to do, nothing to see.
Right. That being said, done. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Perfect.
Anyone wants to ask anything? Okay. See you tomorrow, yeah?
Bye.
See you.
That's all.